Hello guys, today I will do a quick analysis of Dogecoin at Fetcoin, covering the key zones to watch and importance of taking profits. Also, if you do like us to covering this analysis in real time, you can join my newly formed Discord community. You can find the link in description, also for Telegram. If you are new, be sure to check out the free education material for better understanding. Okay, first I will address those who already hold Doge and planning to sell. You need to be aware that there are still backholders for 2021 and they are waiting to sell to be break even. So you need to understand this. It can be go higher, but there are still people who want to sell. We will identify zones based on Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci trend to see where is overlapping. So first, how I will sell this coin. First sell will be 50% over there. Next, $1.56. This is already 18% out and full percent out. If market make us rich, it's $4. If you haven't entered Doge yet, the setup I was waiting for is following Fibonacci and fixed range volume. We will make video about this, and you can see overlapping. Now, how you can go into Doge but not be greed? You have to wait if Doge break all-time high or if backholders start to sell, then you will see something like this. If price tap it, you can buy. You can make retrace for this and you will see overlapping over there. But you need to be aware, this range is almost 3 years. If price start and don't show support and come into this range, price is probably will test point of control, and this is weakening and this is bad. So be aware if you buying over there to see some support, structure higher low. This is the first case. Second case, if Doge go through the all-time high, then you need to wait for retrace, and this zone needs to be support. Why? Because it will be already 16 on 18 drawdown, and this zone needs to be support because back then we will test again range and it's probably over for Doge. Okay, the next coin is FAT, which is currently bullish and above 200 daily moving average. It's important to stay above on the daily time frame. You can see inverse head and shoulders, and $1 psychology barrier was held 4 times. For those who holding FAT for long time, you can start sell in all-time high. Why? Because why not? You have already from there double profit. If you starting to buy over there, it's very good profit to take. Next, what I see, it's first 5 wave of bigger wave 1 on Elliott wave, and we have ABC correction with retracement on 0.5. Now we're waiting for third much more impulse wave. You can see you can start selling all-time high, it's probably 15%, but I will wait for more. It will become, I don't know, it's my capital, so I will wait for more. Maybe This is good price for taking one, and I will go full out over there probably. So if you want to buy FET and you didn't, you need to wait to break this high, because we will see more selling in this price because we don't currently have higher high. So this is very important to see, because over there we can see again retrace and pull back, or we will go through that. So watch this 0.5. If you are interested in any other coins or stock, feel free to suggest to me on my Discord group or Telegram. Best regards.